Hello everyone, Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm just coming to share some cards that I have received in the mail this week since I've got home from holiday. And the first one is this beautiful one here. It's absolutely stunning. I love the pink and black together. It's really, really lovely. I might pinch that idea. It's really lovely. And this is from a lady called Katara, and she won one of my blog candy prizes in March, in my March Madness, and I sent obviously sent her a package of handmade goodies, and so she sent me this card to say thank you. So that's really, really kind, and really nice of her to take time to send that to me. And this lovely one here is from the lovely Karen Tilley, who is a UK Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I believe. And she sent me this as part of our Smiles in the Mail card sending group, which is part of my Stamping for All forum. Basically, we just have a section where you can leave your name and address, and you can participate in sending people, you know, cards randomly, random act of kindness, whatever you want to call it. And you can make cards, and yeah, and hopefully, you know, those who receive cards will send one on as well. So that's really, really lovely. She's used beautiful DSP there, and it's got the little pearls on and everything, so that's really lovely. So thank you for that, Karen. And then this one here did come just before I went on holiday. It's absolutely beautiful. Haven't taken it out of the cello bag, and this is from a lovely lady who you know, I've swapped packages with a few times now, and she's called Julie Cox, and she's a UK lady who now lives in New Zealand and is a demonstrator in New Zealand. And this card was she made for her when she went to On Stage in New Zealand. On Stage Live Auckland, April 2019. So she very kindly sent me one, and she's done the mother of pearl technique on there, and it says inspiration from France Martin from YouTube. So, and you can just see a very, very subtle shimmer there. It's lovely. I might have to go and have a look how that's done. It's really, really lovely. Stamp set is very vintage, which is one of my favourites, and she's used a rectangle stitched framelets, etc. Everything's on there, but that's really, really lovely, and it has got, I don't know if you can see that subtle shimmer. You can. I might have to look that technique up and give it a try. It's really pretty. So that's from the lovely Julie. So thank you ever so much to those three ladies for your beautiful cards. Whenever I receive cards in the mail or gifts or anything, I always like to come on and share them, and share other people's fantastic card making skills, because I think we can get inspiration from everybody. So there you go. Right, thanks for watching. Thanks to these ladies, and I'll see you again soon.